If you've been feeling stuck, lost, or like you're running out of time, this is your sign to start over, not next month. Not when you're ready now, because you're not too late. You're just on the edge of something new. Welcome to Awakening Mentor, your everyday quotes and motivational videos, part 1. The truth. You don't need permission to begin again, not from the past, not from people who gave up on you, and not from the version of you that was too afraid to try and let it go. The job, the relationship, the identity that no longer fits. Sometimes life breaks you apart just to rebuild you, right? The awakening. Most people stay stuck, not because they're weak, but because they've convinced themselves that starting over means they failed. It doesn't. Starting over means you're brave enough to try again. With wisdom you didn't have before. Your story isn't ending, it's evolving. The action shift. So here's what I want you to do. Take one deep breath and say this: I give myself permission to start again. You don't need a 10-step plan, you just need your next step. Start small, start scared, start now. You're not behind, you're not broken, you're rebuilding. And if this message found you at the right time, don't scroll. Comment "I'm starting over" below. Subscribe to Awakening Mentor for weekly reminders that your life isn't over, it's just beginning.